See if we have the date and time on there. Oh, we do.
Don't put that nasty ass
Superimposer? It's already on there.
I knew it. I knew it. Okay, this is Roger. Again.
Roger again.
My driver's training. You gotta hold that stop button.
You gotta hold it. Yeah, I got it idle a little too fast.
Raj holds a lot of things that he's not supposed to. Raj usually doesn't know where to scratch his watch or wind his ass, but we love him anyway. Young lady's getting... What's your name, ma'am?
No names.
No names, okay.
Kelly.
She's married, so we won't give it to him. No. Kelly.
Kelly.
Step in the middle. Much in the middle as you can. In the middle.
The other middle.
The other middle. Raj, any last words of like consolation for our families, or?
Well, turn, carry out General Order number 24.
Okay. But Raj, can't you say in all, Raj, there they go. God willing, they'll come back.
You think so, huh?
Absolutely. Jim, say hello.